Guys, it's been a while, but today we're making another video. This is the Team Associated B6.3 Dirt Edition, one of the latest and greatest RC race buggies. It has been designed from the ground up for the track, and today we're going to take a closer look at my finished buggy. So firstly, you want to know that this is a kit, so you do have to assemble it yourself, and there are many components that you'll have to purchase separately in order to get the car up and running. Now, one of the first things you can see is that deep blue body shell with the white around the windows. I think this looks pretty cool as the blue kind of matches some of the aluminium highlights on the car, and the white obviously matches the wheels. As for the tires I've gone with, these are Proline hole shots on the rear, and up front we have Proline ribbed tires. I've used these tires before on my previous race buggy, and they seem to work pretty well at my local outdoor racetrack. As for the electronics, I went with a Hobbywing motor in ESC, a Savox servo, a budget Spectrum radio system, and a Genzace LiPo battery. These are certainly not top-end electronics, but for the money, they certainly do the job. But with that aside, guys, you can probably tell that this buggy alone is super high quality. It has aluminium shocks, aluminium chassis, even carbon fiber shock towers. It's just super nice, and I think it's going to do very well on the racetrack. Now, whilst there are many great things about this buggy, I did have a few issues when putting it together. So firstly, there are 3 errors in the manual. They give incorrect measurements for the front turnbuckles, they tell you to mount the front shocks in the incorrect hole on the A-arm, and they forget to tell you to put a spacer in the shock. I thought these extra spacers were just useless leftover parts, but they're actually quite important. Without these spacers, the shock might leak oil and won't function correctly. In their defense, their digital manual gives you all the correct directions and measurements, but the included instructions really should be better. But other than that, this car was awesome to build, and the end result is certainly pretty awesome. In future videos, we'll take this to the track and see how it performs, but for now, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.